This is Ashok Armugam once again, and I'm going to show you that we are currently at the VIP city gate. This is the arch which has been done, and that's how it looks, and that's the actually main entrance. So currently we have some more developing areas around us for now. So these are areas which will be developing soon. So this is, I think it's a water plant where all purification has been done. So you saw the place we came from, and so I'm going to enter the gate now. So I'm going to keep you paused for some time. All right, so we just entered the plot, and this is the complete location which I'm going to show it to you. This is right from the plot we have the overhead tank right there. You can see it is getting built inside the arena. And let me zoom out, and I'm going to show you around all the places. This is the place where we think that we're going to get all the shopping or shops and all here, and this is the complete entrance which I'm going to show it to you. And currently we have about close to 207 plots here, and so like depends on the ranges, right from 2,500 square feet and starts from like less than 1,000 square feet a plot. So we can see this is the entrance. This is again we have some hoardings done on that. Alright guys, so I've just taken that. You can see the complete stretch. We are just on the main road of the VIP gate 1. So let me see at what other our successful projects they have done. So I'm going to pause this video now. So we just entered the plot here, as you said. Like I've just again resumed the word into this. All roads are 30 feet road, and there are plots on the either side of the road, and they have also done the drainage, and also you can see the lamppost. The street lights has already been done, and we're going to show you some of our successful projects which have been done recently. So these are the few 280 projects it's been completed. I think we have around 6 projects here in Hosur alone, and most of the projects I see that in investment, about 70% of people who have booked the plot, it is completely or purely from Bangalore side. So we're just looking at concentrating people. Like I think this is the right time. You can see the prices are increasing in Bangalore now these days. Getting a square feet rate of 990, it is very difficult in the right location. And this is currently, we are in an industrial area just behind that, and it is completely a residential plot. It's just the right time to invest in that. Alright guys, so we are not only on the plot, we also kind of give you the plots ranging from 10 lakhs to going up to 15 depending on the square feet area. So as I told you, it's 990 is the per square feet rate currently, and there are a few discounts going on if you're booking the place till on 31st. So there is a straightaway so like 1 lakh rupees discount what the company is going to give you. And this is the villa plot, villa which they're going to build you, and it is everything will be developed. It is about 880 square feet or 900. The specification, you can always get in touch with me, that keeps changing. There is only a ground floor. It is 2 hall, bedroom, 2 toilets, kitchen, and 1 portico which has been given, and this is completely 1 floor. They're going to build it and register under you for complete. This entire project is for 25 lakhs, guys. So this is an awesome where you have a ready built house. You can allow them to build it. Everything has been using brick. There is no solid brick they're using. So you can see there are a couple of model flats has already been done. The villa has already been done, and I'm just going to go to my office now. And any information from there, I'm going to catch up, and I will contact with you. So in case you have any issue, you need any queries, you can always contact me. This is Ashok Armugam. My number is 9632830833. Thank you.